Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about something I've been using a lot in my filming lately, and that's the ZGCine wireless lavalier mic system. Specifically, this is their Atom model. Atom? Why Atom? Because look how small these are. They're very, very small, but very capable. Excellent wireless lavalier mic system in such a small form factor, which makes them just easier to do with, easier to use, a little bit more versatile, but have all the features you need. This is the receiver. The receiver has volume up and down. It has the power button. It has Type-C charging. It has a place for headphones for monitoring, as well as your auxiliary out that plugs into your camera or your phone or your tablet or your computer. Then it has a clip on the back. And then this is the transmitter. The transmitter also has a Type-C charging, has the power button, has a mute button, has a link button. But these link automatically, so you only use the link button if you need to change, if the frequency that you're using is having issues, you can use the link button to change that. But they will link to each other automatically. Then you have a built-in mic on this. So you can just use this built-in lavalier mic, or you have a jack to use a separate wired lavalier mic into this, and they include that as well. And that's another thing that's cool about the Atom series. They include all the accessories you need. It comes in a great little pouch. You have the mounting bracket for the receiver that can go to a cold shoe or to a standard tripod mount. The transmitter has two dead cat wind muffs. One that fits directly onto this. If you just want to use this, a dead cat that fits onto that, which is awesome. You also get a couple of other ways. You get a magnetic attachment so that you can attach the transmitter to clothing using the magnet. Just everything you need, they include. They include both cables, the cable that you would use for a camera, as well as the cable you would use to connect it to a phone or a computer. And they're really small. They have these cool little LED indicators. They have no screen. And I think one of the advantages of not having a screen, one, you keep it smaller, and two, you use less power. The power on these seem to last forever. They last a long time and do a really great job without a screen. You can touch the power button and the LED will flash to let you know how much power is left. So there are ways that get around. As far as volume control, anytime you power this off and power back on, it resets the volume level. So that way, when you turn it on, you just automatically know you're starting at the lowest volume level, and then you can volume up however many times you need to volume up to get to the correct volume for what you're doing. So that's why you don't need a screen to see what the volume level is. When you start it over, you know you're starting at ground level, and then you change it. So I'm going to stop talking about them because obviously, I love them, and let you hear them in action. Obviously, you're not hearing them now because I'm holding them. I've been using them a lot for all my other videos, but let's jump over to some sample footage so you can see the difference using a built-in mic on a camera versus using these, and also with a computer and a tablet, or which would be equivalent of using a phone. So let's jump over to all that different sample footage so you can see exactly how great these work. So right now I'm standing about 6 to 7 feet away from the camera, and I'm using the ZGCine Atom lavalier mic. I'm just using the mic that's built onto the clipped onto my shirt, and you can hear what that sounds like. Of course, if I move closer, the sound doesn't change because I'm using the mic, and I can move much, much further away. Now I'm probably about, I don't know, maybe 20 feet away from the camera. So now I'm just using the mic built into the ZV-1 camera, and that's what this sounds like, standing about 6 to 7 feet away. Of course, if I come closer, the sound may change, probably will change because I'm much closer to the mic, and as I move further away, then you certainly are going to have a change. So in this test, I'm just basically using what would be the equivalent of a phone, camera, and mic. It's actually a Samsung Galaxy tablet, but kind of like using a phone, basically the same. Right now, as you can probably tell, I'm standing right by the tablet, hovering over it. But now I'm going to step back and step over and go further back so you can continue to hear how the mic does or doesn't pick me up when I'm using the built-in mic, and when I'm standing close, how that mic does and how that sounds. And that's just using the built-in mic. So now I'm using the ZGCine mic, and you can see it's attached there. And so I'm using that mic, and I'm gonna step back and step over and kind of the same pattern and keep talking just so you can see how this mic sounds when plugged into a phone or plugged into a tablet versus using just the built-in mic, and how well this mic does at picking up my voice regardless of how close or far away I am from the phone or tablet that's recording. Okay, so in this example, I'm just using the built-in webcam on my laptop computer as well as the built-in mics on my laptop computer to pick up my voice. You can see how that sounds. I'm going to just step back just a little ways just so you can hear the difference when I step back or when I step closer. And this is just using the built-in mics. So in this test, I'm using the ZGCine Atom Lavalier. As you can see, clipped onto my shirt, you see the blue LED indicating that it's on, it's working. I have the receiver here, and this is plugged into the computer, into the auxiliary port of my computer, and so now the sound is coming through that and is much better sound than what you get from just using the built-in mics. And of course the advantage is I can move around, and it doesn't matter where I move around or how far I go because the mic's going with me and it's picking me up, and you don't get all the background noise and stuff that you get when you just use the mics that are built into the computer. Okay, so I just wanted to do one more video to give you an example using the added on wired little lavalier mic, clip-on lavalier mic that is then plugged into the transmitter, as you can see here, and I have this just attached to my waistline there. And so I just wanted you to be able to hear what that sounds like. Not that it's going to sound much different than just using the mic that's built into the transmitter, but just so you have a chance to hear that, and that's what this sounds like. So you can see these little guys are awesome. The ZGCine Atom Lavalier wireless rechargeable mic system is definitely one of my favorite products that I'm using now when making videos. I have found them to work excellent, great sound quality, long battery life. I love how small they are. I wasn't sure about not having a screen, but I don't miss having the screen at all. You don't need it. They figured out clever ways to get around it, which helps make them smaller and extend the battery life. So really, really excellent product. And if you're looking for a good wireless lavalier system, I would highly, highly recommend these by ZGCine, the ZGCine Atom. Really, really great, great system. Anyway, I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick a setup for yourself. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, anything I didn't cover, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.